Welcome. If you want to check real battery capacity in your Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, at first you have to go for the Play Store, click on the search pool, type Ampere. We have to get this application, so we have to simply install. When you make it, we can open. And right now, when you swipe on the right side, we can find the same data but in other theme, and the real maximum capacity we can find in this place. So there's 3370 milliampere hours. And when you go for the settings of our device and we want to check it right here in the device, as you can see, the capacity is different. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.